Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create your LinkedIn profile. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to write the LinkedIn here. So as you can see, I'm going to write the LinkedIn website name, and you have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, so as you can see, the website is open. Now we have to click on this. So let's click. So as you can see, the LinkedIn website is open. Now what we need to do, if you want to create account, you can also do that. And here are some other options as well. So new to LinkedIn. So we have to click on this. So as you can see, we have to select the account. So I'm going to select this one. Now we have to click on this confirm. For example, I have written the Safir here. Now I have to write the last name here. For example, I am going to write the Raza, and here's my email. Now we have to click on the agree and join. So now we have to click on the agree and join. So it's loading. We have to wait 50 seconds until it loads. So as you can see, it's a security check. We have to verify this. So we have to click on this. Now let's do a quick security. Now what we need to do, pick image that is correct way up. So we have to pick the image which is in correct way. So let's choose this one. So let's click on this, and now its verification is completed and it will load. So as you can see, now we have to select the country, and now we need to select the district here. For example, I'm going to select the country, and now we have to select the district, and now I'm going to search like I'm a student, and now we have to select the school or college or university. For example, I'm going to write my university name, and now we need to choose some options. So let's click on this, and now we need to, I'm open to remote work, and now we have to select provide some details like a video editor. I'm going to write the video editor. So let's click on this, and now we need to select the, now for example, I'm going to write the Pakistan. So we have to select the Pakistan, and now click on this, and now we are going to click on the next, and now we have to click on the next again, and next again. So as you can see, here's the code. If you want to scan this code, you can scan this code on your mobile device as well, and the app will be open. So in this way you can do that. So as you can see, my LinkedIn profile is ready to use. So in this way you can create your LinkedIn profile. So you can complete all the remaining process like your profile picture, your bio, any skills and experience, you can add that, and after that your profile will be ready to use. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.